I set a timer for 50 minutes because that's about how long these batteries last. My homemade wrist strap.
I like the handle.
Lens cap off. We're in aperture priority mode. Perfect. My blankie! Not my blankie! And there's like,
Oh my god. On the branches.
I do not see him.
Yeah.
Oh, the green anole. It smells like hot sauce back here. Oh wow.
Yeah.
I almost stepped on a lizard here. See? Keep walking. Okay, I like that. That's pretty cool.
Ready for his close-up.
Hanging out there. Look at us. Hey, look at us. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again.
Look at us.
Play it again. Sports. Say it. Say it and play it.
So pretty cute. I don't like him.
They're like the ugly stepchild of a butterfly.
Wow, is this hibiscus?
Come back.
Oh.
I see him. I see him. I kind of want to get one in flight. It's so hard to do. It's too fast. No way any of those are in focus. Didn't I tell you that the different colored roses have different smells?
Yeah, you did. Do they smell different?
Yeah, it smells different. It's almost a little sour, like lemon. This tree is too magnificent to not enjoy its shade.
It's a good bench. It's a tea bench.
What lake do you think this is?
The one that we passed, it was like a lake. Estonia. These leaves look glittery almost.
Hugging the tree.
He's so cute.
I feel like people do it just because the sign tells them not to. I feel like if there weren't a sign, if the sign wasn't there, people wouldn't do it. It's like, why do they have this defiance? If we saw a water moccasin down here, that would be interesting.
This one's pretty cute though.
Yeah. Yeah. There it is again. It's gotta be some kind of bird. Grasshopper. Yeah.